3, 2, 1, pose. If you're new to my channel, you guys, I talk all about content creation to build your brand, business, or enhance your content creation in general. This is all DIY beginner friendly content creation, you guys, and today is all about transforming my beautiful sister into a model. Of course, she already looks like a model, but you know, we're transforming her to look a little bit like someone you may know. So you guys, in today's video, we're giving Sydney a slight little makeover, as well as giving her a little photo shoot. So we're kind of taking her out of her comfort zone, and if you guys are photographers or videographers, sometimes you're gonna have to work with clients who aren't used to being in front of the camera, so you have to get them comfortable to be in front of the camera. So that's what we're gonna do. We have been braiding for how many hours? 7, 8, 9. We've been braiding for like 9 hours. We're gonna finish in the morning. I only have a little bit left. It's gonna look like me, except I gotta redo mine. Honestly, alright, you guys, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is hair, makeup, wardrobe. So just make sure the person that you're shooting is comfortable in what they're wearing. If they're not comfortable, if they don't feel like it's them or they don't feel like it's something they can work with, then they're not gonna have as much fun in front of the camera. So just make sure they're comfortable, they can play with what they're wearing. Hello world, we're back. So I finished her hair, as you can see, 22,000 hours later. I don't know, I'm talking this accent. So yeah, so we're about to go ahead and decide on her wardrobe, which I think I have an idea of what I want her to wear. And then what else are we gonna do, Sydney? Makeup. We're gonna beat that face, beat that face, beat that beautiful face. And then we'll go out to shoot. I know y'all only care about the shoot part, so we'll montage it.
Time to fly the grind to find, I know. Grind to find the blind, I'm on a show. Keep the flow, I know to let it go. Off the top the dome, I let it blow. Get it like.
So far, it's been good. My experience having Cassie turn me into a model. Wardrobe is being taken care of. So far, it's been a lot of sitting and Cassidy touching my hair, my face.
Yes, I'm the one who's doing everything.
Alright, this is heavy.
Alright.
For now, bye for now. Ciao for now.
Oh, wanna get flow, but I keep that. Oh, wanna get team, but I got that. Whoa, wanna get team, but you got that. Whoa.
So basically, I put her in a simple, kind of silky blouse, even though it was more my style. I felt like it was comfortable, right? Yeah. It was comfortable. So for her shoot, you guys, I shot her in my bedroom studio. I have 2 videos, one about how to create your own bedroom studio and all the things you need to do, and second video all about home studio ideas. But I shot her in the home studio. We put up the pink seamless paper backdrop, added some plants, and decided to kind of do like a plant fun funky shoot. I feel like that's a good way to describe it. So you've done now like 2 photo shoots. And she's now like an influencer for a photo company, so she has several shoots coming up. So what are some things you've learned so far in your shoots as someone who's kind of new to being in front of the camera? What are some advice you would give to someone who's about to like go on their first shoot?
Try not to like be like stiff, I guess. I don't know. And then like focus on your facial expressions and then like emotions. And so like have an emotion like happy, content, like angry, like not really sad probably, but like I don't know, and then like excited, and then like do things with your hands. Don't just have them like on your side, like put them on your head, on your hips.
I need more poses. I have a whole video on 13 beautiful poses. So do you feel like music helps you? Because I know you're both shoots you have music playing in the background. Do you feel like music helps you a bit?
Yeah, I think
with posing and stuff. So yeah, you guys definitely play some music and get people a lot more comfortable. And you may be kind of uncomfortable in the beginning of the shoot, but you know, as the shoot progresses, you'll be more comfortable. You'll see what poses suit you. Your photographer will hopefully be gassing you. But yeah, so that's posing.
Everybody wanna chill when I feel like ooh, hold up on the scene, but I green like ooh, wanna be the flop, but I thought you knew. Wanna get chill when you really wanna do. I see them haters, they be talking, walking all the time, often putting them in the coffin ball. And when they say rhyme, pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so the ugly girls stand still. Pretty girls dance, so
guys, we're going to set up lighting. We have some window light coming in, so I may use the window and like one softbox.
Dance on the ugly girl, the pretty girl. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl. I told like this, man. Listen, yo. Why phony people like to only text on holidays? Like Happy Easter, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday. Happy birthday, it ain't my birthday. We don't talk enough for them to know that don't that hurt. Ayy, I don't call them, I don't text them, keep it moving. No protection, intersection, compilation. I'm just moving recollections.
Now we're gonna just kind of talk about the photographer's job, which is those camera angles, y'all. So when it comes to studio in my room, obviously I don't have a lot of space, so I can't hit too many angles, but I love me a beautiful low angle. I did a lot of eye level photos. I tried to zoom in close, get some closer photos. So, you know, just try to take all different angles because you want to like the photos of the photographer, yes, but you also want the client to like photos. And since they're new to being in front of the camera, they may not like every photo of themselves. So just make sure you give them plenty of options. We ended the shoot with about 300 photos in that one location. So that's one good thing about a studio. It's a very controlled environment, so you can get a lot of different pictures and styles. So another thing that you can add to posing that we had as well is just props. So you can have props like plants, you can have props like sunglasses. So just having something to play around with, to have in the shoot, to just use, hold, touch, have on the side, can kind of just help enhance your shoot in general, as well as give someone who's not used to being in front of the camera something to play with, something to have.
Fast life, move it all the time in the fast life. Shorty wanna get it but the bad like I wanna move it all the time, but I get this dough. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls. Oh, the pretty girl. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the ugly girls dance still. Pretty girl dance on the. Got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Bugatti, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari, got a Ferrari. It's not me, that's them, they capping. Spit it off at the top and I'm rapping. Gotta keep it all the time, but I know off at the top, but I keep that flow. Flexing, wanna get a chill like, ooh, gotta make a meal, gotta.
The last thing I really want to talk about is lighting. For this shoot, we just lit her with one softbox. It had 2 hue bulbs in it, just on regular like warm light, and then I also had the window open. So this shoot was more so letting in a lot of light. It wasn't really trying to be cinematic with the lighting or having a single light. It was just trying to light up the entire studio. For editing, of course, I threw the photos in Lightroom. I have a more specific video on how I edit photos, my Instagram photos in Lightroom, as well as on my phone. But I put them in Lightroom. I put that SP5 preset on them, and then I put and then I just modified it to make sure I had the pinks popping, those teals and greens and bluish colors like popping a lot, and then making sure her skin like had a nice tintish color to it. So that's what I kind of did in editing. So it was fun. Was it fun?
Yeah.
You like being transformed? Yeah, so it's fun sometimes to, you know, kind of dress up and take photos. I think that's something that kind of boosts self-confidence. It enhances that self-love. So I definitely suggest you guys get in front of a camera if it's something you're new to. If it's something you're not comfortable with, it's okay. It's just like everything else. It takes practice, it takes time, but just go in front of there and have fun. If you're having fun, then you're doing it right. If you're not having fun, if you're stressing too much over the poses and the photos, then you're not doing it right. Photo shoots are all about fun and capturing the moment. So capture a beautiful moment, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. We are